Welcome to the September 2024 issue of MSW magazine. Take a look at Yakima's game-changing sewer rehab with robotic tech. Their system-wide assessment uncovered inefficiencies and slashed costs by targeting only the pipes that need cleaning. Is your city ready for a tech upgrade? What's your city's plan for aging infrastructure and unexpected storm impacts? Learn from New Britain's long-term strategy to tackle inflow and infiltration with an 11-phase overhaul of their century-old sewer system. The impact of water quality is clear in stories like this one about the spread of invasive water milfoil. Check out how one city tackled hydrogen sulfide odors in a massive trunk line, using biocatalysts to nearly eliminate corrosion and dangerous gas levels. Here's a look at how the solution worked and the unexpected benefits it delivered. How will Santa Fe overcome conservation plateaus and keep demand low, even as the city grows? Read about their strategies on page 30. Keep this issue handy for the fantastic directory beginning on page 34, the annual buyer's guide. Alphabetical and categorical listings will help you find what you need. Check out how one crew handled high-pressure water blasting in confined spaces while staying safe. Find out the crucial questions you should ask before tackling tricky sewer jobs to keep your team out of harm's way. The 97th Annual Technical Exhibition and Conference is October 7th to 9th in New Orleans. Here's a heads up on what you'll see there. See how one utility prepped for major floods with a perimeter barrier system that sets up in under an hour with just 4 workers. Think about what's at stake and ask, is your infrastructure ready for fast deployment? Thank you for watching and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.